Even though so many things happened this year, like most of the times we were all at home, there were very less body movement, but still I managed to achieve my body goals. And more importantly, I learned so many things, not only about fitness but about myself, about my body, how everything works inside. And you guys have literally seen the change by your own eyes, like from being skinny to getting a little chubby. Like I remember I was getting questions ki Sonia kya raaz hai in chubby cheeks ka, hame bhi chahiye. And I was literally confused ki if you guys really wanted that, if you know what I mean. And then getting abs, like we have still not reached there, thoda bahut, but I mean, you guys literally went crazy in my comment section, YouTube videos के नीचे, on my Instagram. Sonia, कैसे किया, क्या खाया, what is your diet routine, what is your exercise plan, everything. So I even asked you guys to ask me every question of yours, every doubt of yours, and yeah, you guys sent me so many of your questions. So we'll try to figure it out. I'll also try to answer some of my questions about my journey and how everything changed and how everything happened through your questions. So let's get started. So the basic problem which everyone, like every skinny person out there feels, and even I faced this for almost 22 years of my life, was ki I eat so much but I'm just not able to gain any weight. Oh my god, this was the question jiska answer I was trying to figure out from so many years till the moment I actually started working out. So what used to happen was I would eat an elephant, like I would eat so much but I was just not gaining any healthy weight. Like whatever my body would intake, it would just flush it out बहुत ही easily, and that was sort of the process every single day. Like my body would just not take food, it would just drain everything out. So as you guys know, I started working out last year and then my hunger increased as well. मेरी भूख बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ने लग गई, and then I thought to myself कि whatever my whatever my diet was earlier, it was nothing. It was like a baby eating food, and मुझे लगता था oh my god, मैं तो कितना खाती हूँ, मेरा weight नहीं बढ़ रहा. So I'm all chill and I would do nothing. I would become more lazy because I used to think that okay, I'm skinny, I'm eating so much, so if I won't do any exercise then only my weight would increase. You know the psychology, but that is not entirely true, because once you start working out, the food would go to all the right places. वो अपनी अपनी जगह पे जाने लगता है, and you know that sort of is making sense now. दीदी, जब आपका जंक फूड खाने का मन करता है ड्यूरिंग डाइट, तो क्या खाते हो आप? टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, आई ईट एवरी सिंगल थिंग. आई एम नॉट इवन किडिंग. बट बहुत बड़ा एक मिसकंसेप्शन होता है दैट इफ़ यू वांट टू गेन वेट, सो जंक फूड, वी थिंक दैट इट्स हैवी फूड, सो वी शुड टेक इट एंड वी विल जस्ट इवेंचुअली गेन वेट. बट दैट्स नॉट entirely true, because first of all, that junk food is not healthy. That is just not doing any justice to your body. I mean, even if you eat it, that's just unhealthy fat. वो सिर्फ यही रहेगा. You will not gain any muscles out of it. You will not become stronger from the inside. तुम्हारा core strong नहीं रहेगा. I mean, no point taking any junk food. But I do eat junk food once in a while, जब थोड़ा craving होता है, but बहुत ही थोड़ा सा, because I know nothing's gonna happen. It's just my tongue needs that food. That's it. But most of the time, I just eat घर का बना खाना, like each and everything. रोटी, सब्जी, दाल, चावल, veggies, fruits, कुछ भी. How to make time for fitness and achieving results. You guys know I'm a full-time content creator, YouTuber. You guys see my face almost every single day. पूरे साल से यही चल रहा है. And let me tell you, I am no different from you guys. I mean, today is Diwali. I'm still shooting. I don't know when you guys are watching this video, but today is Badi Diwali. Everyone I know is having fun eating laddus. I'll join them later on. But how I manage for my fitness is I wake up at 5 a.m. in morning every single day. Yes, every single day. And I dedicate 2 hours to gym. I just solely focus on my workout and myself, because that's the only time I'm able to give myself. And let's be very honest, मैं यहाँ बैठ के तुम्हें कितनी भी motivation दे सकती हूँ, but you are the only one who have to get up every single day and work on yourself, because if you are not doing it for yourself, there is no other person who will do it for you. मतलब लिख लो कहीं पे, but that's entirely true. Also guys, today's video is possible by Sat Naturals, which provides 100% cruelty-free Ayurvedic solutions to our modern problems, and they sent me their lavender essential oil to try out for you guys. I love the packaging. First of all, how they have used less plastic and more of, you know, paper bubble wrap, which is so cool. I anyway love using essential oils in general because it helps reduce anxiety, relieves cold, improves sleep, heals burn and whatnot. So I tried doing a really cool DIY hair hack using this lavender essential oil. So for that, first you need oats, water and lavender essential oil. Soak the oats in water for 20 minutes. Next, add 7 drops of this lavender essential oil in it and make a paste out of it. Once it's done, apply generously in here and massage this into your scalp and leave it like that for an hour. Then wash it off with warm water, and be careful while doing that as hot water can burn your scalp, and after the first use itself you will see the results. It will leave you with smoother hair than ever. I also did a purity test to check if this lavender essential oil is authentic. So what I did was I just drip a drop of this lavender essential oil on a piece of paper, and after a few hours when it gets evaporated, it did not leave any stain on that piece of paper, which means that this is authentic, unlike other chemical based oil which do leave a stain when they evaporate. They also have a trio pack which will help you save some money and is travel friendly, of course, and you can use essential oils not only for their aromatic purposes but also to cure your hair and skincare concerns like acne, dull hair and whatnot. So I'm linking Sat Naturals lavender essential oil along with other products in description box down for you guys, so do check that out. For developing muscle, is it compulsory to do weightlifting? Now this question in particular has so many other questions around it, but it all comes down to just one thing, which is weight training. A year ago I had no idea what that is, what it means and what it could do to my body. I mean, the first day I stepped into the gym, the trainer asked me to lift weights and I was like, are you crazy? Like, मैं बहुत जल्दी थक जाती हूँ. I had no stamina that time. Like, I would just literally do 10 minute का warm up and मैं साइड में ऐसे बैठ के पहले मुझे रेस्ट करना पड़ता था because ऐसे कुछ वाइट हो जाता था मेरे आँख में से, चक्कर आ जाने लग जाते थे, and that was just warm up, let me tell you. And he was asking me to lift weights, but trust me, it helped me a lot, and that helped me answer so many of my questions. Like, no, you do not look manly even if you gain some of the muscles like this. No, you just feel more strong, your core becomes more stronger, and throughout the whole day, even if I'm shooting or working or whatever I'm doing, I do not feel lazy. I am more confident, I'm stronger, and you get in a nice shape. I really want to increase my weight within 1 month or two, like 10 to 20 kgs. Okay, so no matter how many fitness routine videos or weight gain videos you will watch on the internet who say that this video will make you gain weight within a month, chances are you might gain some weight, but the moment you will stop working out, that all will go. I mean, there's no hard and fast rule that you will gain weight over this period of time and then you will think that okay, I'm all fine now, I don't have to work out. Uske baad it will all go. I mean, your time is wasted, your energy is wasted, and you will feel demotivated. And 20 kgs or 10 kgs is a lot if you're asking to gain within a month, because 2 साल हो गए and then only I'm able to maintain 10 kgs. Like, I gained 10 kgs and usko I'm still able to maintain it, and it's been like 2 years. So if you're starting out just right now, first of all, your body will take at least 2 to 3 months just to accept the exercises which you're doing at home or at gym anyway, and that phase is a learning phase. I mean, your body weight will keep changing, it will keep increasing and decreasing, and बहुत लोग इस period में demotivate होके they just leave everything. But what happened with me was I was already into it for like 3 to 4 months. It became part of my lifestyle and I never left it. So the only answer is take it slowly so that it will be with you in a longer period of time, because initially only you're asking for a bigger picture. That never happens like that. So always take it slowly and just do it. Weight gain exercises which can be done at home. I already have my fitness playlist in description box down below, which you can check out, in which I have my whole workout routine and some are the workout routines for different body parts. So do check that out. Also, for my diet routine, I am linking my previous videos in description box down for you guys, but I'm planning to make a fresher one soon. But abhi ke liye that's that. What are you taking for substitute of milk as you are lactose intolerant? So I got to know that I'm lactose intolerant after a very long period of time, and the moment I got to know it, I left milk and all the dairy products completely. And उसके भी बहुत time बाद I found out alternatives for milk and other dairy products. So for milk right now, I sometimes take oat milk, soy milk, or even almond milk from Sofit, yeah. See, I intake that milk daily still, that's me. Another question was any morning drinks that work. So early morning, first of all, after waking up, after 15-20 minutes, I just drink water, and before leaving for gym, uske 15-20 minutes pehle, I just have one banana and few almonds, that's it. I can literally go on and on the whole day, but still it won't be enough. I just wanted to make this video in particular because I wanted to share my small journey and whatever things which I learned along the way with you guys, so that it might help you start your journey. And more importantly, I want you guys to learn from your own experience, because that way you will learn better. And with that being said, that was it for today's video. Let me know how was it. If you want to ask me anything, leave your questions and your suggestions in comments down below, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Like and subscribe. Bye.